Do you want to generate traffic to your affiliate links fast? A big problem that affiliate marketers face is that they are unable to generate traffic quickly on their affiliate links. Hence, it takes them a long time to make sustainable income. Hi, I'm Shubhamjeet, and in this video, I will tell you how to generate traffic quickly on your affiliate links. Before I jump in, I'd request you to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you do not miss out on any updates from myself. Okay, so let's jump in. So this is over number 17 of the affiliate marketing T20 series, and the topic of this webinar is how to generate traffic to your affiliate links quickly. Okay, so as per my experience, there are two things that you need to do. Number one, create lead magnets. What are lead magnets? In simple words, a lead magnet is a valuable resource that you give to your audience for free in exchange of their contact details. Okay, so the most powerful lead magnets, as per my experience, are free PDF, free report, free course, free templates, free one-on-one consultation, and free webinar. Okay, I'll also add free chat GPT prompts. Okay, free webinars work the best for me, but you can try and test and see what works for you. Okay, so once you create lead magnets, once you have the resource ready that you'll give your audience for free, and to get their emails, phone numbers, and names in return, you can generate fast traffic through 5 ways. Okay, number one, Facebook ads. Create an ad on Facebook, and I'll tell you the template. Okay, to write ad copy, start with a problem that they'd be facing, then agitate the problem, then give the solution, and then the call to action, which will be lead magnet link. Okay, so if I were promoting my affiliate marketing webinar, I'll follow this framework, the PAS framework, and say, did you know that 7 out of 10 affiliate marketers earn nothing? A big problem in the world of affiliate marketing is that 95% of affiliate marketers quit in the first 12 months. So, to help you earn sustainable income in 6 months, I am conducting a free webinar where I will share 3 secrets followed by affiliates who make about 3 lakh rupees per month. So, if you want to attend the webinar, click the link below and sign up. Okay, I know it was not structured, but I hope you got the idea. So once you run ads on Facebook, you will get traffic quickly. And one more thing you need to focus on is targeting. Okay, I'll give you an example. Let's say you are promoting t-shirts, and I'll give you two options. Number one, city A where people love shoes, and then city B where people love t-shirts. So since you're promoting t-shirts, you'll ideally target city B, isn't it? So you need to see what your target audience wants, what their needs are, pain points are, challenges are, and then you can specify the target audience for Facebook ads. Okay, then Google ads, follow the same steps as in Google ads. Number three, influencer marketing. There are influencers, social media influencers who have 5 lakh followers, 10 lakh followers, 15 lakh followers. Okay, in terms of million, 1 million followers, 1.5 million followers, 2 million followers, and you can utilize their followers to generate traffic for your affiliate marketing campaigns. Okay, how you can do is in 6 steps. Number one, sign up on influencer marketing platform called Shoutcart. Okay, I've placed the link in the description box as well. Go to shubhamjeetkumar.com/shoutcart. It is my affiliate link. Okay, and once you sign up, you need to apply filters with respect to the budget, your niche, and platform. Okay, so you can select an influencer to run ads or promote your content on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and there are many other platforms. Once you apply the filters, you will be left with a list of influencers. Then select the influencer that is suitable for your campaign. Select the schedule. Add media. Media will be the text copy, image or video, and the link. Okay, so here, okay, the link of your lead magnet. Okay, once that is done, you pay the influencer, and when the schedule, okay, uh, on your selected schedule, the promotion will run. Okay, so that is about influencer marketing, and yes, you can choose your favorite social media influencer for this. Then the fourth source of fast traffic is SoloAds. There's a platform called Udemy where people have a large email list. Okay, so you can utilize their power, people with large email list, and they will promote your product, your affiliate product, your lead magnet to their email list, and you'll generate traffic. Okay, same 6 steps. Sign up on Udemy. There's a platform for SoloAds called Udemy. Again, this is my affiliate link. I'll place it in the description box. Go to Udemy, create your account, then apply filters such as budget and niche. Then once you get a list, select an influencer, select a schedule, then upload media again, text, image or video, and the link of your lead magnet. Pay the influencer, and based on your schedule, they will run the promotion. Okay. And the fifth paid platform, or the fifth fast source of traffic, is BuySellAds. BuySellAds is a display platform, display network, where you will run ads on your banner, your creative image creative. Okay, so again the same 6 steps. Sign up on BuySellAds.com, apply filters such as budget, niche, and the platform. Then select the platform. Once you select the platform, specify a schedule. Upload media such as the text, image, and the link of your lead magnet. Pay the platform, and on your decided schedule, they'll run your promotion. Okay, so these are the 5 platforms for generating traffic quickly on your affiliate links, your platforms, or your lead magnets. Okay, so that is about over number 17. Now I want to ask you a simple question. The question is, do you want to make 1 lakh rupees per month from affiliate marketing? If yes, do you want to sell products once and earn over and over? You know, there are products with recurring commissions that you can sell once, and until your customers renew their subscriptions, you will make a commission. If yes, I'd suggest you join my community by clicking the link in the description. I'll also pin it in the comments box, so it will be the first comment. Click the link, enroll now, and you'll get immediate access to my community. Okay. So that's about this video. In over number 17 of the Affiliate Marketing T20 series, I shared 5 sources for generating traffic fast on your affiliate links. So that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you'd like to see content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you do not miss out on any updates. Okay, so that's about this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.